Good morning, my lovely kids. In previous class, I taught you letters and their sounds A to H. Then say with me, capital A, small a. A says A. Capital B, small b. B says B. Capital C, small c. C says K. Capital D, small d. D says D. Capital E, small e. E says A. Capital F, small f. F says F. Capital G, small g. G says G. Capital H, small h. H says H. Now we will learn capital and small letters I to P and their sounds. Look it here. Standing line, sleeping line, then again sleeping line. This is called capital I. This is called capital I. In center, small standing line, then dot. This is called small I. I says E. I says E. Now next letter is capital J, standing line, then curve, then sleeping line. This is called capital J. This is called capital J. Standing line, then curve. This is called small j. J says J. J says J. Now next letter is standing line, slant line, again slant line. This is called capital K. Now next is standing line in center, slant line, again slant line. This is called small k. K says K. K says K. Now next letter is capital L, standing line, then sleeping line. This is called capital L. Standing line. This is called small l. L says L. L says L. Now next is standing line, slant line, again slant line, then standing line. This is called capital M. Standing line, curve, again curve. This is called small m. M says M. M says M. Now next is draw a standing line, slant line, again standing line. This is called capital N. Standing line, then curve. This is called small n. N says no. N says no. Now next is circle. This is called capital O. Now next in center, this is called small o. O says O. O says O. Now next letter is standing line, then curve. This is called capital P. Again standing line, then curve. This is called small p. P says P. P says P. Okay. See you in the next class and stay safe.